Hi guys, welcome to RK IT Help Desk. In this session, we are going to learn about how to install Windows 10, and I am going to install it on Oracle VirtualBox. So I will first show you how to install Oracle VirtualBox and what is the use of that Oracle VirtualBox. So let's start. So I have already downloaded Windows 10 ISO, and I have Oracle VirtualBox X also. First we'll install Oracle VirtualBox. Just click on it. Click on S. Next. Next. So don't want to create on desktop icon. Register file access. Just click on next. Click on S. Install. Till asking install drivers. Click on install. Just click on finish. So this Oracle VirtualBox is open. If you have already a VM machine, so you can import it. If you have machines here, you can export that machines. So I don't have any machines now, so I will create one machine. Just click on new, give a name, Windows 10 VM. So I will select the folder. I don't want to keep it in C drive. Just I will go with D drive. I will create one folder here, VM environment. On this VM environment folder, I will create one more folder, Win 10. So I am going to create too many machines. So I'll create one more folder inside the VM environment and we'll keep the name in Win 10. So let's select, click on select folder. Type of VM. We are going to install Microsoft Windows. Just I selected it, and it is a Windows 10. Just click on next, and I'm going to allocate 2 GB memory to this Windows 10. Click on next. There are three options for create a hard disk. Do not add a virtual hard disk. Create a virtual hard disk. Use an existing virtual hard disk. Create a virtual hard disk. If you have an existing hard disk, you can choose it. Use an existing virtual hard disk. So I am selecting create a virtual hard disk now. Click on next. There are three hard disk file type: PDI, VST, and VMDK. So I will go with PDI now. In next session, I will make another video on this hard disk file type. So will not go detail now. So just click on next. Storage on physical hard disk. It automatically shrink the size and extend the disk. If you choose fixed size, it will not extend your disk size. So I want to keep it dynamic, so I'll just select it, click on next, and this is our disk file name in Windows 10 vm.pdi. Is 50 GB, and after 50 GB whole, it will automatically extend. So just click on create. So configuration part is done. We have to choose a ISO. Just I will go to settings and storage. Disk is empty, so I will select, choose a disk file. Just select it. we have selected Windows 10 ISO. Just click on OK. Now we can start the installation with clicking on Start. So Windows 10 getting installed. Is loading now. If you want to change time, just choose your time. English, 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 English. Oh, we have a English India, no problem. Oh, keyboard is English India. Click on next, click on install. So I don't have a key, so I will click on I don't have product key. If you have a key, you can put it here. So I will go with Windows 10 Pro. Later on, I want to show some more videos on this Windows 10 Pro. So I want these features, so I will click on Windows 10 Pro, click on next, accept license, next, custom installation. We have a 50 GB drive, so I will allocate all place to C drive. I don't want any D drive right now. Click on OK. So it is created some system reserved drive also. Just click on next. It will take some time for complete the installation. So I will pause my video here. We'll resume once 100% completed. So download is done. Also installation also done. System getting restart now. You can click on restart now also. No problem. It is asking to press any key from boot from ISO. We have already installed, so we don't want to press any key. System get boot from Windows 10. It is restarted again. It is asking some settings. We need to select our country here. By default is taken India. So just click on S. Now it is asking keyboard. By default it is US keyboard. If you want India English, you can choose India English. I will go with US. Click on yes. And it is asking second keyboard. I don't want second keyboard, so I will click on skip. Now we have some important setup to do. Let's see. Okay, we got through this part of setup. This setup is done. Again it is restarted. See, how would you like to set up? You want to use it for personal or organization? Right now I want to use it with my personal use. So let's click on personal. If you are going to use organization, you can choose setup for an organization. So select it personal, click on next. It is asking sign up. How you want to use this machine? If you want to use with email ID, you can put your email ID, phone number, Skype ID. But I want to use a offline account. Or click offline account. Means you can create a local user and log in with that local user. I will show you in the next video how to use email, phone number. Sign in to enjoy full range of Microsoft apps and services. I don't want to use that apps and services. I will go with limited experience. And now you can create your local user here. I'll put my local user as a RKIT help desk. Next, you can put here password. Confirm the password. It's asking security questions for reset your password in future. So now we have to accept some settings. So go through the settings, whatever you require. If you don't want these features, you can just disable these settings. So I want to keep all the settings on. So I will accept it. So one more feature is there. Let's customize your experience. How you want to use your system. What purpose you want to use the system. It's asking entertainment. These are the category coming in entertainment, creativity, business, family. I want to experiment some technical things on this machine, so I will choose as a business and click accept. Want to Cortana help or get things done? You can click accept. I don't want Cortana now, so I'll just click on not now. It will take some time for first time login, so we'll wait for some time. So login done. If you want one more machine, you can create again new machine. You can add a multiple machines here, with, creating your requirement, but make sure you have enough memory and storage for that. Right now we allocated 50 GB storage for this machine and 2 GB memory. Also we have allocated processor. Let's show you guys how much processor we allocated. Here it is. Here is the processor. I didn't saw here and didn't allocate it, but it is taken by default. Let's check it. System. See, processor. It is taken one core processor. I have a 8 core CPU, so it is taken one core. You can utilize the your base hardware for this virtual environment. So hope you understand the video. If you like the video, please do comment and share with your friends. And do not forget for subscribe and do not forget to subscribe my channel RK Thank you.